students just love the class because they're not judged, oh, you fail and you pass, you're good and you're bad. The class is equally challenging to everybody because they have to grow up to their target score. Good to see you. Get all your stuff. Get all your stuff. The student no longer thinks I'm just another student in the class. It seems like I'm the only one in the class. I know down to a pinpoint exactly what you're struggling with, and I can go over to you and tell you, I recognize you attempted this question 4 times. I am here to give you some help. What I've done is actually to create this personalized learning classroom that each student becomes like a different classroom. So it's one-on-one. They are working at their own pace. They can work at their own time. They can work from anywhere once they have internet access on any device.